Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on the battery. Here we've got the visual settings, let's enter and tap on battery display styles. And as you can see, we've got three different options. We've got icon only, which is right now applied, and you can say it because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, but we can set also percentage only or icon and percentage. So after tapping on percentage only, you can see that the battery icon immediately disappears, and instead of it, we've got only the battery level. But we've got also the option which will compare two of them, and we will have the percentage and also the icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.